So good afternoon to all. Respected is Saparna ma'am, our Secretary Department of Pharmaceutical. Dr. Mantu Kumar, President Pharmacy Council of India. Dr. Sarah Macmillan, Country Director, Office of Global Operation US FDA. Dr. Nilesh Gupta, Co-Chair, Quality Forum IPA. Dr. Sudarshan Jain sir, Secretary General, Indian Pharmaceutical Alliance. All distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. I extend a warm welcome to all of you to this 8th edition of Advanced Good Manufacturing Practices Workshop hosted by Indian Pharmaceutical Alliance. It is indeed our honor to have such a distinguished gathering of industry experts, regulators, professionals together in our collective pursuit of excellence in pharmaceutical manufacturing. As you all may be knowing, that various policy initiatives have been taken by government, to move forward the quality agenda and to improve the trust and confidence on quality of drugs manufactured and supplied for domestic as well as for export markets. And these includes recent initiatives like effective enforcement at the field level for ensuring quality, safety, and efficacy of the drugs till last mile. And also the initiatives have been taken to sensitize all stakeholders regarding strict adherence to the standards of Indian pharmacopoeia. Here the role and responsibilities of regulators and industry, that is being emphasized. And also government is taking various measures to strengthen the capacity at the level of states as well as center for regulation of medical products. As all of you might be aware, that CDSCO is conducting a series of interactive sessions across India in light of revision of requirements and guidelines of good manufacturing practices that is being made to make the GMP guidelines harmonized with the international standards. And CDSCO has also started conducting joint inspection of manufacturing premises along with the state regulators, based on risk-based approach. I am pleased to share that these reforms also includes measures to streamline the regulatory process, including the process of approval of new drugs, clinical trials, and also to encourage the research and development of new drugs in the country. These are to align our regulatory framework with international standard. As you all know, in 2019, our new drugs and clinical trial rules, which was published by government, which has various provisions to encourage the research and development, including processing of application in a time-bound manner, including the provision for deemed approval if no response is received from regulators within a specified timelines. And also there are provision for pre-submission, post-submission meetings to provide regulatory guidelines regarding the pathways to be followed for research and development of new drugs. The objective is to ensure highest standards of safety and efficacy of medical products while empowering our industry to navigate the complexity of global market. IPA has consistently played a pivotal role in advocating policies and facilitating dialogue between stakeholders and regulators. And that has actually caused, for streamlining various regulatory process. And this workshop is an excellent platform to delve into practical implication of recent regulatory reforms and to collectively strategize on how we can capitalize these changes for betterment of our ecosystem. Over the next 2 days, I invite each of you to actively engage in discussion and contribute to the dialogue on navigating the regulatory landscape in the country. Thank you, and let us collectively shape the future of our pharmaceutical sector and strengthening and streamlining the ecosystem. Thank you.